Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to attach documents in Microsoft Loop. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to loop.cloud.microsoft. Once you're on the page, go ahead and log in using your Microsoft account credentials. This will give you access to all your workspaces and collaborative pages. After logging in, you'll see your dashboard with all your available workspaces and projects. Click on the workspace or project where you want to add your documents. This could be a team collaboration space, a personal project, or any other workspace you've set up. Now on the left side of your screen, you'll see a list of pages within that workspace. Navigate to the specific page where you want to attach your documents. Clicking on it will open the page in the main editing area, ready for you to add content. Before you can attach documents in Loop, there's an important requirement to keep in mind. Your files or documents need to be saved in your OneDrive first. Loop integrates seamlessly with OneDrive to pull in your files, so make sure any documents you want to attach are already uploaded to your OneDrive account. This ensures quick access and easy sharing with team members. Once you're on the correct page, click anywhere in the Microsoft Loop editing area to place your cursor where you want the document to appear. Then type /file. This command triggers Loop's file insertion feature, which is designed to help you quickly find and embed documents from your OneDrive. After typing /file, you'll see a pop-up menu appear showing files. This menu will display a list of recent or available files from your OneDrive, making it easy to locate the document you need without leaving Loop. Simply browse through the results and click on the file you want to attach. Loop will automatically embed it into your page, allowing you and your collaborators to view, edit, or reference the document directly within the workspace. And that's it. You've successfully attached a document in Microsoft Loop, making collaboration and file sharing more efficient. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.